Well, countries and territories aren't the only ones that have to deal with credit issues. Cities do too, as evidenced by Atlantic City in New Jersey, which is still reeling from economic woes, financial missteps, and Superstorm Sandy. Morgan Brennan is down the shore with more.
This time last summer, both of these casinos, the Showboat and Revel, were still open. The boardwalk bustling with visitors. But a lot has changed in a year. The East Coast's one-time gaming mecca has lost 4 casinos, a third of its supply since 2014. Gaming revenue has plummeted by 50% since 2006, and 2 operators, Trump Entertainment and Caesars Entertainment, are currently in bankruptcy. The city's scrambling to close a $100 million budget shortfall, and its bonds are rated as junk, a scenario that spooked investors as Wall Street analysts have warned of the growing risk of bankruptcy. But officials insist that won't happen, that the worst may be over for the struggling seaside resort.
By the time we reach August, we're going to have a balanced budget, and we're going to have a lot of support from the state.
Less local competition has meant more revenue for surviving casinos as well, which in May posted a 5% increase over last year. That reversal of fortune has been driven by increases at the Golden Nugget Resorts, Tropicana, and here, the Borgata, which with $264 million in winnings so far this year, continues to be the most profitable.
8 casinos seem to be servicing the customers well, and you can really see strength in the surviving casinos. The employees get more hours, people are taken care of better, there's capital reinvestment going back into those properties in a way that just didn't happen when the market was oversaturated.
But even more competition is coming, with projects planned in New York, Massachusetts, Virginia, and if some politicians have their way, northern New Jersey, from which some gaming taxes would be funneled to AC. In light of all of this, Fitch Ratings remains negative.
It is certainly negative from an overall gaming revenue market standpoint, but from a market stability standpoint and giving Atlantic City the potential to invest in other projects like theme parks or entertainment where it can attract people to the location could ultimately be a good thing.
And reinvent itself as an entertainment destination is exactly what Atlantic City is attempting to do. Starting with the Playground, a brand new $50 million development with retail, restaurants, and music. Located in the $200 million Pier Shops at Caesars, Philadelphia-based Tower Investments got the property for pennies on the dollar.
Well, sure, it's fire sale, distress sale. The lender just wants to get out and be done with it. They wrote down the debt, and it's time to move on. And I'm a developer, and we have a development company. So this was a great opportunity.
Both Revel and Showboat have new owners as well, though plans for them remain to be seen. But as we head into the busiest week of the year, Atlantic City's future, though not quite as bleak, is still a roll of the dice. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan in Atlantic City, New Jersey.